Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. This operation is pretty similar to all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow all my steps and apply them to your browser. Okay, so here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got two different ways of removing browsing history. So right now the fastest option and the least detailed. Let's tap on clear browsing data, and here we can quickly remove the browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then simply tap on clear data. Here we've got also more options. I'll show you this section. However, we will enter it in our second way of removing the history. So this is the second option. Tap on the three dots icon and enter the history. As you can see, here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and here you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Let me tap on clear browsing data because I want to enter more options, because here we've got also advanced settings like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Usually we will enter this section in the previous way. Just above the list of visited websites you will have the option clear browsing data. However, after removing everything manually it disappeared. So I'll show it to you here. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range again for all time, and then tap on clear data, and again the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.